Good morning, welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today with the package here is a Goggle. Okay. Unbox the new Goggle. This goggle came with a hard case bag. Okay. Oops. Okay. We named this as VR008. It's a 5.8G FPV Goggle, came with DVR. This instruction manual. Came with two antenna, 14 dBi, and also a mushroom antenna. AV cable. And a USB charger. This is the goggle. It's looks like silver, blue, black, gray, and it's not black at all. Okay. Just install the antenna. Okay, we have a search button, menu power on, band, channel, and record. Okay. This model we can put a SD card here for you to record your FPV moment, and this is the USB port for you to charge, and this is the AV port for you to hook up the AV cable for your external video. It's AV in. Okay. You can try to power up, power on. Looks good. Oh, good. Okay. Let's power off this. I'm using my quad just for the FPV testing. Okay. Now we turn it on again. And search. Yep, we got it, and it looks very clear. So it is how I do my YouTube using Canon PowerShot G15. Let's see inside more clearer. Okay, so this is the OEM FPV Goggle. The size of the screen is 4.3 inches. Thank you for watching.